So here we are again, back up on the same hill as we shot on last time. Got Colin in a separate hide over there. Pattern set out in front of me here. And there's my hide. Just out of the way of the tree there. It's going to be a super hot day. We're here a little late. We probably should have been here Monday. There's probably 1,000 or so working on here. And the crop they're feeding on now has gone past the milky stage. So what we're finding is they're coming off this volunteer barley and they're dropping in to this wheat next door that's still slightly milky. But yeah, the numbers have now dropped away. There was probably, I don't know, 500-600 on here yesterday, but they've slowly been declining in this last sort of 4 or 5 days. So anyway, we'll when Colin's finished eventually setting up, he's been there 4 hours now, we'll get started and we'll keep you posted.
Action.
So what we've got, you might be able to see it, we've got the FF6 flapper that's on like a 2-foot pole just over there. That's just into the wheat and they're getting a good visual as the flight line's coming from over there. And then we've got 50 enforcers in a U shape for my pattern. Hold on, let's see if this one will come in.
There's one right in front of you.
There you go. So you've got 50 enforcers in a U shape. No magnet today, because if you were to use a magnet today, I think that's going to shine up even if you do tape up the arms, just because of the way that the sun is. So flappers are the way forward if it's sunny. Here comes one. You get that?
Yeah, I got it.
Yay! Zoe managed to film one. You get that? Get this one. You get that one?
Yeah, I got it.
Yay! There we go. Left of the tree.
Did you get that one?
Yep.
So now Henry has missed
Loads.
90. Shot 20.
80.
Yeah.
Watch it. Down it goes dead. Bonk. 2, left and right.
Here comes some more.
That makes my 100. So I think we're going to change hides now.
Here you go. Right of the tree. Right of the tree.
What of that one? Then I wanted that one.
Sorry.
Left and right again. Oh, for sake, how did I miss that?
Hold on. There it goes, off into the distance. Right.
Shoot that. Get left and right then.
Yeah. Oh dear.
Left and right.
I was videoing the other birds, obviously.
Colin, your bird. Yeah, nice one, Colin. Ooh. Hey, down it comes.
I didn't catch him up first time.
You got him?
Yeah.
You filming?
Yeah.
So we're in Colin's hide. I think he puts this up to keep the sun off him. Clever. And his hide, compared to mine, has this handy little bench. But also he can see so much more. So I'm learning. Maybe I should set up my hide more like Colin's. So Colin's now gone down to my hide. I think he's on, was he about 20 head? So hopefully he's going to wade in over there and get stuck in and yeah, boost his bag a bit. too far out for me.
Quick.
Oh, oh, oh,
Quick.
oh. Here we go. Down it goes. That's dead.
So he says.
I'll get that for you, Colin.
Good girl, bring it in.